Join me as I dive deep into the mind-bending world of quantum physics to see if I can truly grasp how it rewrites our understanding of reality. Quantum physics is a revolutionary field that's challenging our traditional understanding of reality and forcing us to rethink everything we thought we knew about the world around us. It's an area of research that's constantly pushing the boundaries of human knowledge, and it's setting the stage for a fundamental shift in our perception of the universe. Classical physics, which is the foundation of our intuitive understanding of the world, is based on some pretty straightforward principles. Objects have definite positions, velocities, and properties, and they behave in predictable ways. But quantum physics throws all of that out the window. At the quantum level, particles can exist in multiple states at the same time, and their properties are undefined until they're observed. It's like trying to pin down a cloud. The instant you think you've got a handle on it, it morphs into something else. This is where things get really weird. According to classical physics, cause and effect are linked in a straightforward way. If you do A, then B will happen. But in quantum physics, the act of observing something can actually change its behavior. This is known as the observer effect, and it's been experimentally confirmed countless times. It's as if, by simply paying attention to something, you're influencing its outcome. The implications of this are staggering. If our observations can affect the behavior of particles, then what does that say about the nature of reality? Is it possible that our perceptions are shaping the world around us in ways we're not even aware of? It's a question that gets to the heart of what it means to be human, and it's forcing us to confront the limits of our knowledge in a really profound way. Superposition is another mind-bending concept that's unique to quantum physics. Essentially, it means that a particle can exist in multiple states simultaneously. It's like being both heads and tails at the same time. And entanglement takes this to a whole new level. When two particles are entangled, their properties become linked in a way that transcends space and time. If something happens to one particle, it instantly affects the other, regardless of how far apart they are. The double-slit experiment is a classic demonstration of just how strange quantum physics can be. In this experiment, scientists shoot a beam of particles through two parallel slits, creating an interference pattern on a screen behind them. But here's the weird part. When they try to observe the particles as they pass through the slits, the interference pattern disappears. It's as if the act of observation itself is causing the particles to behave differently. One of the most groundbreaking experiments in quantum physics is the quantum eraser experiment. In this experiment, scientists create a situation where two particles are entangled, and then they separate them. They then try to measure the properties of one particle, but they don't actually look at the results, they just erase them. And here's the amazing part. Even though the particles are separated by huge distances, the act of erasing the measurement on one particle instantly affects the other particle. This experiment has profound implications for our understanding of reality. It suggests that the properties of particles aren't fixed until they're observed, and that the act of observation itself is what's causing them to take on definite states. It's a mind-bending concept that's forcing us to rethink everything we thought we knew about the nature of reality. The insights we're gaining from quantum physics are truly transformative. They're inviting us to explore the nature of existence in a way that's both exhilarating and humbling. We're being forced to confront the limits of our knowledge and to consider the possibility that our perceptions are shaping the world around us in ways we're not even aware of. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the mind-bending world of quantum physics. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. What do you think are the implications of quantum physics for our understanding of reality? And if you're interested in exploring more fascinating insights from the world of physics, be sure to check out my other videos on related topics.